Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. And sweater weather doesn't also have to be lint fuzzy weather. I love wearing sweaters, but I hate when they get little peeling and fuzzies and start to look older, don't you? This is where this fun fabric shaver comes in handy. This is by Feeke. It has a really cool, easy to use function. At one quick button, a razor blade, and it sucks the fabric to it and shaves off those fuzzies and peeling and lint. And it works on your sweaters, other clothes, upholstery, curtains, anything like that. So you just remove the safety cover, push this button. Also, it's battery operated, so I already installed the batteries, obviously. Push this button, you can hear it. You can feel a breeze from the blade sucking the fabric. Look at my sweater. All right, and it just sucks that fabric right to itself. And that's all there is to it. And it shaves off those fuzzies and keeps your sweaters looking brand new. It's also really easy to clean out. You can see through here, which is so satisfying to me, all the lint that I've taken from other sweaters, all those different colors. It's easy to clean it out. You just dump this out. And if the blade happens to get dull for any reason, you can unscrew this. It comes with 2 additional blades, and it's really easy to replace that as well. So I just have loved using this. It's satisfying, it keeps your clothes looking great, and it's really easy to use. So highly recommend the Feeke fabric shaver, but that's my point of view.